think that's okay. I knew them dents was gonna pop up. That's what happened on them dark colors, but there's gonna be a little bit of trash in it, but it's okay. Those all temporary. The heads will be replaced eventually. Get some better heads on there, better carburetor coming, and some different valve covers eventually. But this is what we're gonna start off with on the first part. All right, so that's it right there. Will be a light put up there very soon. So I have 4 lights up there, and I need to check because he told me that those lights that I ordered earlier wasn't was the wrong ones. These right here. So I'm gonna test these out, see how bright these is. It's supposed to be 5 and 5. They got hooks on them. I thought it was gonna be blue tabs or something. I have to figure out what I can do to get that right. But that's something I can worry about later. But that's good. I got the light, and I just want to check to see if they work because there is an Amazon purchase. My cousin decided he didn't want that spoiler, and I put the bumper on it the other day. Don't think I got any footage because I was just too busy trying to work. But got that foot wheel out of here. Man, I've just been doing what I have to do. And so I finally figured out kind of this situation right here. And what's going on is I had to remove the old water pump. And I got so tired of moving it and taking it off, buying parts. Well, I never took it off. That was the problem was. So I didn't take it off, and I kept on having to buy pulleys. Found this AC Delco pulley right here, and this pulley was $100, but it's AC Delco. I will try to see if I can remember the parts, but I had tried the short pump. I'll put the picture in here. But the main issue with that short pump on this 350 was that it was a hole that was not covered. And on this pump, it's 3 holes on the rear. And what I'll do is I'll show y'all that hole and everything. We did get that power steering pump installed with bracketry. Not sure what that bracket does right there, but we'll figure it out. He removed the actual pulley. We do have the pulley for it. Let me see. This is the one that we're using right here for the long pump, the Summit part. Like I said, it's all AC Delco. I'm using a lot of factory stuff. AC Delco 1941845. Oh, that's it right there. And as y'all can see, this is the old short pump. For a moment, I thought I was going to stick with the short pump, and I would have stuck with the short pump if it wasn't for the hole. And I'm gonna show you all that because I didn't show y'all what's been going on with this motor in a while. And I did get the AC box, which I didn't bring over here. Um, but found a Facebook market deal. It was something that OG Lee Perez sent to me. Shout out to my boy at Lee's Therapy Garage. He shot me the video. He shot me the link. I hit the guy and I was like, "Hey man, if you're gonna sell that, if I'll come and take a look at it. I'm very interested in it, right?" And it's like 150 for this AC box. And it's really really clean, and it's right up the street. He was in Dallas, I guess up the street, but not too far out of town. And he wanted to meet me somewhere near like Grand Prairie, and it worked out. After I messaged him, we went back and forth, maybe like once or twice. And he seen that I was really serious, and seeing that I really work on my stuff, and I have credible people that follow me. Social media is Great thing when you use it correctly. But yeah, man, I made that happen. I had to show y'all that video because I already have the rebuild kit for it, and being I already have the rebuild kit for it, it only makes sense to go ahead and stick with the factory stuff because I didn't want to apply that money into the vintage air. So I will be rebuilding the AC system. But I'm finna put this all on time lapse. Here go the pulley with the installer on it real quick. I did buy that little installer tool. He was able to use it to remove it. And it's be ready to reinstall. This is that part on the power steering that was obsolete now. It's some kind of EGV valve or something like that. EG valve or something. This is of course the dipstick. Whatever. I say, man, I really done broke this car all the way down to the very small pieces. You know what I mean? Building it all the way back up. So got that going. And I'm way in over my head, I can tell y'all that, but I'm just tired of just sitting here let all my stuff just get dust on it and spider webs, but it's slowly coming together. I'm on the fence if I should go ahead and just rebuild the AC box. Then that's gonna bring on a whole nother set of problems because then I'm wanna go ahead and go with the compressor and I ain't gonna wanna take no shortcuts. I'm slowly getting drug into it further and further, but in the meantime, all I care about is just getting this motor tore back down so we can go ahead and put that seal on there. And I'll probably wait to even fool with this until Mr. Marvin comes and help me, so we could really get it all the way together. But even at this angle, it looks like this might work. I don't know. Y'all tell me. Y'all think that belt better catch this? Will that belt be able to catch that? I'm thinking that belt gonna be about this width right here. So if it's that width, it should be catching. If it's that width, just looking at it, I definitely want to put my pulley back on there, but that means that I'll have to go ahead and lock these into position, and I'm not ready to do that. I do want to go ahead and take that back, get my money back. So we're going to go ahead and throw you on time lapse and do what I got to do. So y'all just stay tuned. Man, so just using the sunlight. Right now, just to give me an idea if I want to fool with it today or not. Because I just want to get some of that rust off. Let me go ahead and cut this light on. Big bag out, Mr. Tropicana. I just picked up some VHT. And what's so crazy is, with this new light, man, it's actually way brighter. It's way more bulbs, or wherever them things is, light LED bulbs. I'm hoping don't make my light bill go up too much, but man, that sucker is bright. I can definitely tell. That's gonna be really good, because I got another car getting dropped off. But this one's so close to being finished. This one will probably be going out for about another week or two. I'll probably be getting it to the mechanic to get some upgrades made on it and everything. This one hopefully will be getting fixed this weekend or so. It's Easter weekend, so I don't know how that's gonna go. Y'all just stay tuned. We're getting the whole rotation. We're getting everything going. But right now, I'm going to go ahead and sand this down with the wire brush and the drill. I'm gonna put some of this engine enamel, this VHT. I'm gonna put some of that on there. And I can't remember, that's the silver one. I got one of them over here. So this ain't the right one, no way. Ain't the right one. But I definitely gotta get these lights hung. Figure out what I'm gonna do to get those up and off the ground. But I'm worried about that another time. In the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead, let this door up, bring out Mrs. Tropicana. So I'm gonna get an overspray on her. I mean, I haven't gave y'all a cold start in a while, man. I ain't even really changed nothing on this car, but I still really enjoy it. Yeah, my boy told me that I missed one of those brackets on the Banshee install, but being I stripped it out, well, he said he might be able to help me get that figured out. But I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a little cold start real quick. This is as good as it's gonna get. I'm about to mask everything off. I'm gonna put some tape in some of these holes, these threaded holes. All this right here is gonna be masked off. I'll make sure no overspray get on none of that stuff. And then I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna mask from this paper line down on this side. Over here on the top side, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mask everything from the intake. I think that's what that is. Don't hold me to no names, but I'm almost certain of what this is. But this right here, I can point at it so a person get a full understand what I'm talking about. I'm finna mask all that from the fold, tape all off in there. I'm gonna make sure I get this lip really wet, even though this is all gonna be all taken off. It's just repetition. This is my first little motor, so let me go over and beyond on it, you know what I mean? Didn't get that corner all that well, but all that stuff right there gotta have a gasket on it mostly anyway. So I'm just gonna plug those holes on the back side as well. Not sure what goes in those spots, but I'm definitely gonna ask much more questions before everything goes on there, because I know this has something to do with the transmission and the flywheel. I mean, I'm not sure. I know the bell housing connects to that part of the motor, if I'm not mistaken, on the back side. But I still don't know what these 6 holes go to. I'm finna ask somebody for sure. I'm gonna get in my book and I'm gonna figure out what the back of those heads, what those holes go to. We know what the ones in the front go to. But yeah, man, they're gonna hit the time now, so I'm finna mask it off. But we're getting really, really close to getting outside with the Monte Carlo. People might ask me, why am I not putting AC in my car? Because it's not in the budget and it's not what I plan to do. I know I'm making a major mistake. I'm gonna double work myself on this situation because I'm gonna put the whole car together body-wise, right? And then I'm gonna take all this stuff off. But that's what I'm doing. I'm making that decision right now. And I may start enjoying it without AC and make it into a race car. I don't know. But y'all gotta stay tuned. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, man, you like fast cars, dirt bikes, four-wheelers, any of that type of stuff, you just want to see what's going on in Texas from my perspective in the DFW, You know, we got a couple toys, but y'all need to hit the like button, man. We got some stuff in the works. Me and my lady, we definitely we're in discussion with supercharging the Mustang, the 5.0 Mrs. Tropicana. So maybe you might start seeing more content of that. But you gotta subscribe. I want y'all to like, hit the thumbs up button, share with a friend, tell them, man, hey man, this dude right here, he stuck it out, and it's starting to finally come together. And yeah, man, this is what it is. It's the DIY guys. It's the guys that's tired of getting taken advantage of by these shops, these mechanics, these paint shops, whatever. But it's most of all the people that's passionate about doing this shit. You know what I mean? Like, I really enjoy doing these cars and everything. But yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned.